So guys, that's my brother over there. Yeah, is there an attachment to a fishing rod? Or phone?
No.
Why?
You're supposed to wear it on your body, like a body cam.
I'm gonna get a body cam.
We'll do pond topics. Like this spot sucks, we'll go to a different pond.
Yeah.
Well,
And then,
it's not really a pond, but...
dude. There was something nibbling on my thing. I just didn't get it though. What? I don't know what to do for this, dude. What? Dude, this is super hard with one hand. One second, guys. Here. You know what? I'm gonna put you in my pocket. You're getting the pocket treatment. Tell me if that view is good, guys. Oh no, wait. Hopefully that will work for now. Get a body cam soon, guys. Okay. Things out there. Okay, I'm putting you in my pocket again. Yeah, actually this might be poo. It might be booty cheeks, you never know. And then you guys will know where to go for fishing.
No, you don't give away the spot.
Yeah, I'm not gonna give away the spot.
Don't give away your honey hole.
Because then everyone will take the fish, and I'll be very angry. Dude.
What's up? Suck.
I want to put the camera down so you don't get any ideas to where it is.
I mean, the spot sucks.
Oh yeah.
Just don't show the good spot.
Yeah, I'm not showing you guys the good spot. I'll show you the inside good spot.
No one's gonna like you now.
Huh?
No one's gonna like you. You gotta show them the good spot.
Yeah, I guess so.
Most people aren't located this way.
We pause the video, guys. and we're gonna go to the other spot. So we have to get the torture, do the drive. Okay guys, next spot. Don't know how good the spot's gonna be, but try my best at this spot. I'm gonna make sure the video keeps the recording. I don't. Also, go check out my brother's channel, Fantastic Bites. At the end of this video. Is that right, Benjamin? But yeah. I'm gonna fix my camera while I'm at it. So that's better. Okay. So it's gonna view. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I haven't been posting some videos lately. Just
Right in front of me, huh?
oh yes, right in front of you, Benjamin.
Where's Greg?
Greg? This?
He's over there. See him walking?
Hey, tell him that we're recording a video. You ain't telling him nothing? Oh, crap. One second, guys, we're gonna go undercover. Act like you're not. Yep, on your phone.
We just got here 5 minutes ago. Dude, me or Steven? I tied him on a twisty, Mr. Variety. Like a fly. A twisty of the Mr. Variety. And I have on my stinky smelly bait. Yeah, it's crappie. Are you on the floor? Oh. Yeah.
Benjamin, I don't know how this happened. So it happened with the string again. Hi, Benji.
Hello. Sir.
I'm still recording, dude.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get a camera thing from my chest or head.
Body mount.
Mm-hmm. I think everyone wants to see a bait. Okay, guys, I'm at the next spot. It's the country club here. Good look. That right there might be a fish that we have. I don't know. Remember they're staying low over there. I don't know if I can get a good view, but if y'all can see that. There's people over there that we saw. We're just trying to stay below this hill so no one see us. And then behind that wall, from over there can see us. Behind this gate so semi-people can see us. So if you get caught here, you get kicked out. And it's... not good if you get kicked out. Alright, it's not here. Okay, yeah, some my phone back down. So that's my way. Okay, we're gonna... Set my camera there and then... Oh crap, why is it? Okay, I gotta get rid of this stuff. Okay guys, got it fixed. The casting out. Okay, right there. And then, and look on the, you guys can see there's people. If you guys zoom in the video, you guys can see there's people over there. So, we can't fish over there. The ponds are there. So this used to be a good spot. I don't know if it is yet right now. Yes, it's the final spot we're doing in this video. And then I'm gonna post something else next week. I do weekly videos on my gaming channel. So just get bored on this channel, go over to that channel. And when I post something new on this channel, you can look on this channel. Benjamin, what are you doing? Getting the seaweed off. I'm not cast mine out far. This is my maximum strength with this kind of trash bait. I can't go far.
We're gonna need spots, but we have to be swift about it.
Yeah.
So I think that's where they start over there, in the Gulf. So if we go away from the start, down there you could go, but people do like golf over there.
Okay. Sit down. Come get your backpack. Come get your backpack. Oh crap, what the heck was on me? What was on me? I don't know what was on. Okay, we gotta be really slick about this. I don't know, guys. I got to light. I don't know how the recording guys know catch this. On. Yo, they have perfect grass here. Right here? Oh my, they're behind us. They're behind us.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. They don't care. They don't care what the owners might.
Right, that's hard.
For some reason, I want to touch that.
No, don't. No.
Hey, you can't swear. I know. Not on camera. Let's go under the bridge. Right here is good. On a waterland. Ooh, over there, guys. This place is sketchy.
Oh, click on. Oh, it came off.
Good spot. Oh, Benjamin, they're starting looking at us. You know, I want to get a good view at them.
Don't point a camera at that. That's the last thing you do. Do not point a camera at that.
Well, I block off people's faces.
Just don't point a camera. It's going to make it look worse.
Oh, yeah, okay. Fix my rod. I'm gonna phone down for you guys. I don't know about this. Oh.
See someone's camera.
Oh, he didn't even give a crap.
Just go.
They don't even care what we're doing. The owners will.
Huh?
The owners will definitely care.
Yeah.
But they're probably not here.
Any manager will also care.
Owners don't really care. The owner wouldn't really care though. Cowboys. I don't know how this happened.
Is that a fish? Or is that a ball?
I didn't even do anything.
No, I'm saying, was that a fish or a ball?
I didn't see a ball, so it's
Might have been a frog.
Ooh. Hopefully. Wait a minute.
Oh, they're frogs. That's a frog.
I'm not gonna fish anymore, but I'm gonna. You guys can fish on.
What?
I can't fix this pole right now. It won't. Like when I take it off, this part comes down here.
All you have to do is release this.
No, but.
Oh, and you have a freaking bird's nest.
No, but that.
Don't walk in front of it.
Dude, let me get it out. 1 second. See.
Yeah, do that. And I gotta get this, you have a bird's nest. Who are the issues with fishing?
I don't.
What?
I really don't.
You have so many issues with fishing.
I don't. The guy's walking in. So we're gonna watch this guy. Dolphin video too.
See, I have to fucking cut your shit and retie again.
Okay. Dude.
I don't really don't. Every fucking cast! Why do you always do this? I gotta fix it. You don't pick. Don't fish right next to me.
Okay.
I see. That is literally right next to me.
I'm casting phone on like this.
So I.
Hmm.
What are we playing now?
Probably like Smash Bros. Or Minecraft.
The usual.
I mean, that's all the games you have.
I know, but they're the good ones.
Yeah, they're the good ones.
I don't really like any other than.
Legends of Zelda.
Yeah, I couldn't really get too into it. I like mobile games too.
Oh, I had a bite. Dang
Did
it.
you really?
Yeah.
I had one earlier.
What the heck? Okay, I have a raindrop. Don't think it was a raindrop, because don't come by here when there's a perfectly blue sky. Now, do you guys think I'm crazy? No. I say it's the water in the lake. That was a fish. I saw a fish.
Oh my god, it was a clam.
What a
It
clam.
was a literal clam.
Oh, let's get that on video.
There's no way anyone could ever believe that. I just caught a...
No,
I'm
they
not joking. I literally just caught that clam out of... There's nothing in it or anything. My pole snagged it or something. I was reeling in. It's a clam. No shot. I didn't know that.
I just like this.
How did you even do that?
I don't know how that
I've
happened.
never seen something like that in my life.
Well, that happened now. Oh, come on. Oh.
Dude, why are you so close to me? Can you move down? Like at all?
Why is it going that way?
What? No, it's not. It's right there. I can't pass even a little bit straight.
Oh, it's fine. Oh, it was right there. Okay, 1 second. I'll cast it.
Dude, you don't have to be right there.
There.
I'll just move.
No, I'll move. It's fine.
No, now I'm fucking moving. A little bit less so we can fit through.
Move to my left.
Huh?
I'll move to my left. I didn't.
there someone around? We expected to get kicked out.
Oh, here comes the bald guy.
He's about to get kicked.
Yeah, dude, it's alright.
No fishing?
Yeah, I hate to be a bummer. I'm sorry, guys.
I figured it.
Yeah, I'm a fisherman myself. I hate to fish.
No, I get it. I kind of figured it would be.
Oh, it's all right.
Appreciate you being cool about it. You too.
Oh. Guess we just got kicked out. Very sad about it.
No problem.
We ain't catch nothing anymore. Yeah, you got a clam.
It's all right. We don't pay to be here. We still be. It kind of makes sense then, because if you get hit by a golf ball, like, you would have to go through 2 minutes. Liability. He was cool about it. The other guy was trying to get my information and stuff years ago. Got on my bike and just ran from me. He was on a golf cart, but once he like kind of chased me, and once I got out on the street, he just turned around. Put your pole in. Or you can give it to me.
Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video.
I caught a clam.
Just caught a clam. That's
Oh,
about the only fish we caught.
You got a big bird's nest.
Ah,
You caught a bird.
I didn't. Yeah, I caught a bird.
A bird that's got a nest.
I caught a nest. That's a bird's. You know, I feel bad for a blind person that's gonna go inside. That's gonna go inside that.
Oh. Well, who lies a blind person playing golf? How is that even? You think it happens?
Yeah.
They feel where the hole is.
They feel the air that's going right towards the goal.
I just don't see. I might look that up if there's blind golfers. He got kicked out, but he was okay. He was like, oh.
He's a fisherman himself.
Yeah.
Then why doesn't he fish
well, the
here?
young guys are more chill. If you get some old dude who's not crabby about it, like, I've worked my whole life to play golf at this country club, and you kids fishing.
Fishing can be full golf.
What?
Fishing can be before golf.
Oh yeah, fishing is, but they own this, and you can't really argue it.
Oh,
You just have
okay.
to say okay and walk it.
Oh, okay.
And say thank you for being cool about it. So
Thank you for your business and time, and we don't really give a crap. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Bye bye. I'm gonna do a video next week. So bye bye. See you next video.